Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Wajahatul Zaman. I'm a certified data analyst, and for coming few weeks, I'll be demonstrating my journey of building the TechPulse, which is an AI-powered news intelligence platform. Now, this is not a general dashboard or data analytics project or a machine learning project. My goal is to build an end-to-end production-style system which can collect its own data and then analyze it, and it converts itself into an AI chatbot which will understand and answer our questions, like which we try to conversate in daily life, like what is the news today, which companies are hot, and what are the topics, which companies are most active in AI right now, and many things like that. I'm excited to share my journey with all of you guys, and the end product will be very exciting. The goal that I am working towards, it was developed by the problem, like the problem statement is this: every day thousands of articles are being published about tech news on different websites like TechCrunch, The Verge, and VentureBeat, and Ars Technica, and many other popular websites. Now the problem is the data is scattered on these websites. Different websites have different authors and different articles, and some some websites even have their own set of authors who publish different content in their different style. So my goal was to accumulate all of this data from different websites in one particular relational database, and use this data to create a chatbot which can answer our questions. Again, like I've stated, the questions like which topics are active today, and which companies are very active today, and what are the different companies answering what is the very hot topic today, and everything. Like most websites, they just present the articles which have to be studied manually, and they do not provide any such articles like giving a summary on what the market is about today. So I am trying to solve that problem. Now, what has been already completed? Right now the project is at a state where the ETL pipeline is entirely developed. The platform collects the data, scrapes the data from different websites like the TechCrunch, The Verge, Ars Technica, and the VentureBeat, and then it collects the data, using the RSS feeds, and then it extracts it, it parses it using the BeautifulSoup, and then this data is being entered or pushed into different tables in a relational database. Now this database was designed with keeping scalability in mind, and also to have a perfect system which can also be helpful in the coming time. Now all of these tags and terms which I'm using right now, these are quite popular terms, and you can find meaning of it and everything about it on YouTube or ChatGPT. But again, when demonstrating my project, I will be explaining you all of these topics one by one in detail, or at the surface level at least, so you get the idea on why we are doing and how we are doing. I'll demonstrate all of the phases that I've worked with in detail, till starting from the collection of the data, and then pushing the data in an SQL database, which is a cloud database. I'll talk about it in the phase, and then after it, we'll be extracting the data and connecting Excel, Tableau to it, uh, to a cloud database, so that we can get the what we say continuous data. Also, this entire ETL pipeline is currently automated using GitHub Actions, so we'll talk about it in its own phase as well, right? So I'm sharing this project to demonstrate on how I am learning and why I am doing it, and how am I solving my problem with help of tech and data and machine learning as well. So if you are interested in data engineering and machine learning and data analytics, or anything around data, and trying to build your own systems, then you can please join my journey, and let's share it together. Also, if you are okay with it, please share your journey in the comments as well, right? In the coming videos, I'll be demonstrating each and every single code, and also I'll be sharing the GitHub repo that I'm working towards open source it. In the coming time, in the coming videos, I'll be demonstrating what I'm doing and how I'm doing it in a manageable detail, and then explain you all of the particular terms, major terms that I'm using to work towards my project. So the end goal of this project is to have an app which is an AI assistant which helps us understand what is the current news and about tech, and what are the top trends, and what are the top highlights and headlines of the day, using different article websites and everything. So yeah, this was my project in introduction. Then from tomorrow onwards, in the next video at least, we'll be working on the phase 1, which is creation of a database, right?